So solving this first layer, first we have to create a white layer where it should consist of two similar pairs on the first layer, like this green thing. As you can see, these are two red. Now you need a blue, white here. That is this one. So taking over here, and this is blue now, and talking about the green color, and you need green white color, so it is right here. You just need hardcore practice to make it so clear that you will never need again to remind the algorithm. You just need to figure out how it goes and how the result would be in the each step. So this is how it goes. Now you need to, as you have now prepared the white layer on the top and consisting of the two similar pairs with it, that is blue, red, green and cream color. Now we will make a yellow layer on the bottom or the opposite side of the white color. Here this is a white column, so here you will need an algorithm that will be over here on the screen. So this is how it goes. We will keep on repeating it until we get the one yellow side here and one yellow side here. R U R dash U R and 2 times U and R dash. So it doesn't affect the part you have already created, but helps in creating the formation you want to make top yellow layer. Now you can see that here is one yellow part here and one side on the top. So repeating that algorithm, that is, you can see on the top as I'm repeating that is R U R dash U R 2 times U and R dash. As you can see, we got the yellow layer on the top. Now we have to figure out, now we have to look for the two pairs you have got, two same color sides you have got, to match it with this one. Now as you can see, white side is in the front of you and yellow side is on the back, and the formation we have created here, that is the 4 green colors, we will go opposite, just flip it opposite and just use the second algorithm, the last algorithm you will need to solve this 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. That goes like R dash U R dash D2 R U dash R dash D2 R2 and backdash. As you can see, it is solved now. This is the first case, and there is also another case when you will not get any. Let me show you. You will not understand by just selling. So this is the second case I was talking about. Here we have the white on the bottom and the two matching colors with that is, you can see, and yellow on the top, but we didn't get any of the two matching pairs to bond with the bottom layer of the two already matched pairs. So here also the same algorithm applies, that is the second algorithm, but you just need to apply it twice. And you will get the correct formation, the solved part. So let's check it out. So you don't need to check over the R dash U R dash D2 R U dash R dash D2 R2 and backdash. So we get what we were looking for, that is the 2 4 match pairs with this side white on the top or the bottom and yellow opposite to that. So here we are, white is looking at you and yellow at the back. The match pair is on the top and just flipping opposite. Here is a white part, here is the yellow part, and here is the match part just opposite to it, and applying that same algorithm to this Rubik's cube and you will get the solved Rubik's cube. Here, let's give it a try. That is R dash U R dash D2 R2 Q dash R dash D2 R2, and here you have a solved Rubik's cube. That is the 2x2 Rubik's cube. Now also let me show you that how fast and how easy it can go. So we will start with looking for the white, and it can be on any side you want, and here I am doing this like this, as you know. As you can see, first layer is done. Now going on to the second layer, and here we need is two yellow layers of cap, and I'm just repeating the same algorithm, and you got the yellow and you got the blue. As you can see, there are two reds and two red that will match over to this, and flipping over, now repeating the algorithm, that is and it's done. This easy as this algorithm helped you, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and look forward to other videos I have made regarding Rubik's cube. And next part for this video, that is the normal 3x3 Rubik's cube, and the third part that will be the mirror cube, that is most amazing one. So I will link it here. There will be the second and third video as soon as I make them and record them, or as soon as I record them or edit them and put it annotations right here. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and peace.
SUP